Hey future chess champs, welcome back to Play Chess Academy, the best place to learn chess the fun and smart way. Ever wondered how to win a chess game fast, like in just 2 or 3 moves? Today, I'm going to show you simple checkmates that every beginner must know. Let's make winning feel easy. Let's start with the fastest checkmate in chess. It's called Fool's Mate. It only takes 2 moves. White makes a big mistake by pushing these pawns early. Black takes the chance and delivers checkmate with the queen. Moral: don't weaken your king's defense too early. Next is the famous Scholar's Mate, a classic 4-move checkmate used by many beginners. 1. e4 e5 2, qh5 nc6 3, bc4 nf6 4, qx f7 #. The queen and bishop team up to target the f7 square, the weakest point in black's position early in the game. But be careful. Experienced players can block this, so don't use it too often. Rook checkmates the king on the 8th rank, while pawns on f7, g7, and h7 block its escape. This happens when your opponent forgets to make space for their king. A rook slides in and says, "Checkmate." Key lesson: always give your king an air square, like moving a pawn, or you could fall into this sneaky trap. Now you know 3 powerful checkmates that every beginner should master. Like the video if you learned something new. Subscribe to Play Chess Academy for more beginner-friendly tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.